So recently OpenClaw broke the internet, and this is basically an autonomous AI agent that does work for you. But the problem is setting up OpenClaw on a dedicated server or on a local machine. It's too complicated for an average user to set up everything and then set up different AI model providers. But the problem is OpenClaw is not safe at all because it is installed on your computer and it has already got access to almost everything on your computer. And that should be the last thing that you want to give an autonomous AI agent. But recently I tested something which is called AGNES CLAW, and this AI agent takes very different approach than OpenClaw or in fact any other similar autonomous AI agents. So instead of just being an AI assistant, AGNES CLAW is more like a self-evolving AI coworker that actually learns how you work. It basically analyzes everything about your day-to-day requirements. So in this video, I'm going to show you how actually it works, and I'm going to show you a real workflow demo and how actually it compares to other tools, something like Kimiko. So if we compare AGNES CLAW with something like Kimiko, which is an autonomous AI agent by Moonshot AI. So Kimiko is a good AI assistant and it has strong capabilities, but still it is more like prompt to response based. On the other hand, AGNES CLAW has lower barrier to entry, easier to get started, and stronger at skill integration. And also it has more workflow automation. And the biggest difference is AGNES feels more like a system and Kimiko feels more like a tool. Another thing I like about AGNES CLAW is it works on web, on mobile through integrations. So you are not tied to one setup. So your AI assistant can literally run anywhere, anytime. So let's be honest, most of your time is not spent just doing creative work. It is spent on replying emails, organizing tasks, updating spreadsheets, switching between 5 different tools. Even with AI, you're still doing copy paste and still juggling between all these different tools. So instead of saving time, you are just working differently. And that's the problem that our very own AGNES CLAW is trying to solve. So AGNES CLAW is basically an AI agent system that combines its own AI models, something like AGNES Pro 1.5 and AGNES Lite 1.5, and also a skill system, both built-in and open source, and also the automation workflows. But the key idea is this: instead of using AI manually, you create a system that works for you automatically, and that too without any hassle of deploying your AI agent locally or maybe hosting it on your own server, or maybe paying hundreds and hundreds of dollars every month in terms of server cost and API cost. One more important thing about AGNES CLAW is the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your workflow. So I think enough talk, let me just quickly show you an example and let me just show you how AGNES CLAW actually works. So first of all, to start using AGNES CLAW, just go to agnes-ai.com. So this is agnesai.com. So just go there, and from here just hover over to the product, and from here you can just click on this AGNES, and now you'll open this URL which is app.agnes.ai. And once you do that, we can simply just sign up, and after that we can just access this AGNES CLAW section on the left side. Simply just click on this AGNES CLAW, and here you can just launch AGNES CLAW inside your browser. You don't need to install anything on your computer. It will be running inside your browser. So once everything is set up, now you can just start giving it a prompt. So this is the prompt. Let's suppose I want to research a topic, to generate a video idea, create a script outline, and organize everything basically. So I'm just going to give it the topic, research a topic about AI automation in 2027. So this will be our topic, AI automation in 2027. Then it needs to generate a video idea, create a script outline, and basically organize everything for us. So I can simply just press enter, and now AGNES CLAW will start its working. Now it will not work as regular AI agent because this is an autonomous AI agent. It will do its own research on background. You don't need to keep this tab open. It will keep doing its research, and once it has gathered enough information, then it will start writing the video idea, and then it will write the script outline as well. This is, by the way, the simplest task that you could give. We can give it more complex task as well. So let's just wait for it to finish this task, then we'll just give it the more complex task. Okay, there you go. You can see the task is completed. But did you notice something different here? The way it broke down this task after I gave it this prompt: first it selected the right skills, then it pulled the informations, then it organized everything. And this is actually the important part because this is not just generating text. It is executing a workflow basically. So the content that it generates is not just random AI generated content. Now what makes this AI agent really powerful is the skill system. You can combine its own skills and open source skills as well to build custom automation pipelines. So you can use something like weather skills, training skills, and even you can just view and manage your own skills as well. So instead of just one prompt, you have a reusable system, and this is where things get really interesting. AGNES CLAW doesn't just execute tasks, it actually learns from your behavior. It remembers the context, adapts to your preferences, and improves how it performs reduce tasks over time. So after a few uses, it behaves less like a tool and more like a personalized assistant. Now you can actually get most of this AI model by just linking your email. So you can manage your own emails right here at Agnes AI. So you can simply just click on this link email, and now you can ask it to link your email account so it can send and receive emails right here at Agnes CLAW. Also, you can connect it with Telegram. So if you just go to your settings and then just click on the setting button, here you can just like link it with your Telegram. So you can simply just click on link, and now it will ask for the Telegram token and the user ID. Just provide these details, and if you don't know how to do that, you can simply just click on this how to get Telegram credentials and just like follow this simple guideline. All you have to do is just for bot father inside Telegram, and then open the chat, then just click on start, then just send this command, and then it will provide you this token, and also you can just get this user ID as well. So you can just provide both of these details and start, and then link Agnes CLAW with Telegram. Similarly, you can connect it with WeChat as well. One more important thing about this AI model is Agnes CLAW is powered by its own AI models. That includes Agnes Pro 1.5 and Agnes Lite 1.5. Agnes 1.5 Pro is more powerful and it is used for complex tasks, while Agnes Lite 1.5 is faster, cheaper, and it is used for everyday tasks. You can start using Agnes 1.5 Pro for as little as $4 per month, or you can try the Plus plan for $10 per month, or you can try the Pro plan for $50 per month, or you can just switch to the annual plan and you can get the starter plan for as little as $40 per year, or this Plus plan for $100 per year, or Pro plan for $500 per year. So because you're not relying on external API keys, so you get better post efficiency and better integration within the system. So now we are moving from AI tools to AI systems, and Agnes CLAW is clearly pushing in that direction. But the idea of automation, self-evolving agents, and reusable workflows, this is where things are going. If you want to try Agnes CLAW yourself, I have added the link in description. Just click on that and you can start using Agnes CLAW right away. If you have any questions about Agnes CLAW, just leave your comments in comment section, and I see you next video. Bye bye.